Hey guys, Survival here. Today, I wanted to just cover a few key things that you need to focus on now that it's December. So, for those of you who are in countries and places entering summer, now is the time to ensure that things such as your gutters, downpipes, and areas right around your house are clear of things such as leaves and other plant material that could be flammable. For those of you entering winter, once again, ensure that your gutters, downpipes, and areas around your house are clear of things such as leaves and other plant material. The last thing you need if you're entering winter is to flood your house because your downpipes and your gutters are obstructed. Further, before the shops become too busy, too crowded, parking becomes near impossible, anything that needs replacing or anything you need to purchase, get it done now. It's all part of being a prepper. Be prepared. Plan things out. Do things early. Avoid the last minute rushes. The last thing you want to do is be out and about when everyone's panicking, rushing around, trying to get the things that they forgot or that they need to get. The next key point that I'd like to make is please take a couple minutes to go check that your first aid kits are fully supplied and that everything is within its date. Anything that's expired, replace it immediately. The holiday season is when things such as injuries are likely to occur. As such, this is the time to make sure that your first aid kits are fully stocked and ready to go. The last thing you want to do is need to use it and be missing something or have something that's expired. Further, ensure that you've stocked up on things that you need, such as food, water, and that any consumables are in enough supply. Lastly, check that all equipment you use, such as your barbecue, any extension cords, and the like, are all ready and 100% safely serviceable before the holiday season starts. It's better to go out and replace anything that needs replacing now than to leave it till the last minute and have to fight the crowds, fight the rushes, or not be able to get it because it needs to be brought in, or because the shop's shut, or because they've just sold out as everyone else is getting ready. And lastly, I just want to give a brief channel update. Bushcraft and I will be releasing our Christmas message, and then we will be taking a break. Regular uploads will start from the first Friday in February and will continue to remain on a 2-week schedule. So we hope you stay with us, and we look forward to seeing you in the new year, starting from the first Friday in February. And as always, stay safe in the bush.